Outdoor Wilderness Club here. Just wanted to show you something inside my Boondocker here, my truck topper. I got an Igloo. I caught water from the rain the other day. Used my tarp when it was a storm. But I hooked up this, this is a little DIY trick. This here is it's a car window washer pump. It's an old one somebody gave me. And what I did was I ran the wires. I'm keeping it low so it stays primed. What I did was I hooked it up to my Renogy charge controller. I hooked it up to the load ports. So all I do is I just hit here. Signals the load. This contraption, you know, just some clear plastic tube. I insulated it. I had the whole thing insulated a few years back, trying to keep it warm in the winter, but it would always freeze. I just took an old LED light bar switch that I left over, stuck it here, and this works. A little bit of a draw down to 12.7. When I shut it off though, I hit that. It was right back up. It's in boost mode right now. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I had to clean my sink because I was doing a ton of work. It got all dirty. A lot of camping, throwing firewood in here. Alright, well if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. That will help the algorithm so more people can see my videos. And if you like it, subscribe so you can see more. Thanks a lot.